Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you tips and tricks every HISENSE TV owner should know. So the first thing, go into the settings and then connection. Here we have the karaoke mode. You can enable the karaoke mode and it will disable voice services and it will enhance your voice. You can also here switch the microphone device and microphone volume. Then, still in connection, we have Airplay and HomeKit. You can wirelessly share content with this TV using Airplay and control this TV using Home app and on your iPhone, iPad or Mac. Then going to the support, we have self-diagnosis. You can perform the test on everything on your TV right here. Then go back and into the picture. Here we have game setting. You can enable the game mode to optimize this TV for PC or games console and reduce input lag and improve responsiveness. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.